Welcome to the FXCM tutorial on EAs in MetaTrader 4. To add a custom EA to your MetaTrader 4, the first step is to open your MetaTrader 4 platform. Once the platform is open, navigate to File, Open Data Folder. Once the data folder is open, go ahead and close the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the data folder, navigate to MQL4 and then Experts. Copy your EA into this folder. Once the EA is copied, close the folder. Then you can reopen your MT4 platform. Once the platform reopens, go to the Navigator window and then expand the section that says Expert Advisors. Take your Expert Advisor and drag it onto the chart to apply it. In the Common tab, make sure to check Allow DLL Imports and Allow Live Trading if you would like the EA to trade for you. In the Input section, change any inputs that you would like to change, and then press OK to apply the EA. Notice that the EA status is still showing a sad face. This is because you need to enable auto trading up here in the toolbar. Notice that the EA status is now showing a smiley face. Note, if you are installing an EA from the FXCM App Store, it will likely come with an installer and you would not need to perform all of the original copying the file steps. That is how you work with EAs in MetaTrader 4. Stay tuned for more FXCM tutorials on MetaTrader 4.